Okay, we're going to look at some of the group policy settings. Under Common Settings, we have the sharing option. I'm going to click that. Now, under this setting, we have user must log in to access file folder shared with him or her. The way this, if this is disabled, which is the default setting, then it is possible to share a folder without the receiver of the share being logged in to access it. Let me show you what that looks like. Here I am. I'm logged in as a user on the web portal, and I want to share the documents folder, so I right click it and choose share. Now I just need to enter a username. I continue, and what I'm going to do is select no protection and just give it 1 day. So I will now share. Okay, so now let's go look at that user's email, and we see we have an invitation, and that invitation is from the manager that sent it, and we can click this link. And now I can jump right into the folder and look at all the files. So now I have access to these files without logging in to the web portal. I'm going to go back into the default group policy, and I'm going to select that setting and hit save. So now user must log in to access file folder shared with him or her is enabled. So we'll go back over here. Now I'm going to right click this, hit share. Okay. We continue. Now notice I am forced to make a different kind of selection here. I can give them full control, but I don't have the option to leave it unprotected. So I'll leave everything else the same and then hit share. And now when I go over and check the email, I get this new email, and it gives me the link, so I go to that link. Now it says you must log in to your cloud storage account to access the shared file or folder. So I click here to log in, and it automatically inserts the email address. I'm going to need a password though. One of the emails that it sent me will include that information. There's my temporary password. So I put that in. And now it forces me to create my own personal password. And now I have access to that folder, but I had to log in order to acquire it. So I hope you could see that that's a very useful option under the group policy home sharing. Again, to get there, as a tenant manager, you choose default group policy and common settings, and then the sharing option, and then you can enable that. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.